Hello everyone. Today you will start to learn Google Maps and Google Places with Swift language. In this course, we will learn a lot of things, and in the end of this course, you will do a very good workshop for use Google Maps. In this lecture, I will introduce what's Google Map and what we'll learn in this course. Let's go to Google and Google Maps API. This is first link. You will see Google Maps for JavaScript, for Android, for iOS, for web service. We will use for iOS, and we will use Swift language. You will see here Google Maps is the key for iOS, Google Places API for iOS. Let's see sections of Google Maps. You will see maps, imagery, and customization. Here you will find a lot of demos and symbol, and you will see a lot of things. Each one for this you will find documentation, and you can see guides and reference and symbol. You can see. We know every app now have Google Maps because it's very very important. But in the internet you will find any course that's complete course that's introduce Google Maps and Google Places. Let's take a look in Google Places on also. You will see Place Picker adds a built-in Picker UI widget, Picker like this, or marker or notification. Annotation in Apple Map Kit. And also we'll use place autocomplete. That's it's like search and click in place and do marker like this. Place details to show details of any places like name street, good location, and also you'll find a lot of them here. We will do things like this. Also, in this course, in the end of this course, you will do a good workshop. If anyone have any question, you can go to my course and ask me, and I will answer. I'm waiting for your order, and let's go to first lecture. Bye.